This is the offer that first-time Mini buyers have been waiting for. Hey folks, it's Katie from Mini. This July, you don't have to be a returning client to take advantage of our best offers. With our current Mini Welcome event, first-time Mini buyers can get incredible offers that are comparable to our returning Mini clients. The Mini Cooper 3-door and the Mini Cooper 5-door both have lease rates for 0%, or you can finance for 4.49%. This month, the Mini of the month is the Mini Convertible. You can lease for only 0% or finance for 2.49. And if you're looking for something with a little bit more space, we have plenty of Mini Countrymans in stock in a variety of colors. You can lease for 1.99% or finance for 2.99%. And don't forget that every brand new Mini comes with a complimentary no-charge schedule of maintenance and a 4-year, 80,000-kilometer warranty, giving you that clarity, confidence, and reliability that Mini is known for. Message me, Katie, your Mini sales and brand ambassador, or visit me at the Mini showroom located at 120 Kenmount Road. Let's find the perfect Mini for you.